Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add page numbers to your Microsoft Office Word document on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Microsoft Word. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, locate the file, my YouTube channel, Word documents, click on document. To now add page numbers, let's just go to insert, page numbers, bottom of the page. On the right, we can add the changes to the left, top of the page. Let's just leave it the way it was. Bottom of the page on the right hand side, press OK, and there we have page number 1, page number 2. Let's now insert a new page. And there we have page number 3, and so. Command S to save, quit Word. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.